Hai, Wan. Halo.
Hello.
Hi. Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Test, test. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, you can hear me, yeah?
Mm,
Hello?
yes.
Yes. Okay. How are you today, Wan?
Good.
Are you good? Good, yeah. Okay, then. So, how was your day so far? Did you go anywhere? No? Stay at home, yeah? Wait, I'm kind of forget. Where do you live? Is it in Jakarta? In which Jakarta?
Jakarta Talang Utara.
Ah, okay. Okay. So, you heard about the demonstration, right? Yeah, be careful with that because the police already killed someone with the gun. Uh, okay. Anyway, congratulations about the graduation of the game design using Roblox Studio. Yeah, you already graduated about that, and I already sent the report to your parents. And uh, maybe I want to ask your parents later about the certificates because you're supposed to have two certificates. The first one is the visual programming, and the second one is the game design. Have you received that? Both of the certificates?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet. Okay. I will ask your parents later on, yeah? Okay. Anyway, we'll start our lesson today, and today you will learn about Python, yeah? So you will do a lot of typings. You will do a lot of typing, so be ready with that. And you will learn how to use Python to code your program by yourself. And I will guide you how to do that. Okay?
Is it like is it like scripting?
Yeah, it's like a scripting in Roblox, but in Roblox you just copy paste, right? Now in Python, we avoid that. So we prefer you to type it from the beginning of the script until the end. Okay. Have any questions? No questions. Okay, we'll start our lesson then. Wait, let me share my screen. So we'll start. Gitu ya. Nah, so today we'll learn about introduction to the Python language. So, what do you think about Python? What is a Python? What do
Um,
you think? What is it? Eh, sorry. Wait.
I actually don't know.
You actually don't know. Okay. Okay. So what do you have in mind? Just
Uh,
share your thoughts. Any kind of that ideas about Python or about the programming. So what is
it's
a programming? Is that
it's like I don't know how to describe it.
okay? How about language? So how is a language? How is what is a language?
It's like the way you have to type it in.
Yes, yeah. It's like one of the way you communicate with others. Yeah, you can use English language, Chinese language, and etc. Yeah, and bahasa Indonesia as well. Nah, so when we are talking about Python language, it means you have your own. Uh, I mean, it means you have to learn about computer language because computer only understand, yeah, not only yeah, but also the Python itself. Yeah. Okay, so Why we need to learn about Python? The good news is Python is used for everything. For example, if you want to create a website, you want to create a mobile phone, you want to create a database, yeah, Python, compared to other programming language, it is in the first rank, yeah, because the easiness of the Python programming language, yeah. So it will not be complicated to you to learn about programming using Python. Now, what or which are companies that you are that using the Python? So you can see us in here, yeah. Are you familiar with these companies? Which one, for example?
Google, YouTube.
Google and YouTube. Yeah, the fact is they are using Python to create their own applications. Okay, and also game. Have you ever played one of the game in here? No, but you know, yeah. Okay, for example, The Sims 4, it's using the Python. Yeah, and also in your school, have you learned about computer?
What?
Is there any subject related about learning computer?
Yes.
Yes. What the name of the subject?
IT.
Oh, IT. Yeah, okay. So you learn about IT. Uh, in that subject, do you use Microsoft Excel yet?
Uh, I don't think so. I use Microsoft Word.
Or you use Microsoft Word? Okay. So I think later on you will learn about the Microsoft Excel. Yeah. So it's basically about the tabular data. So you can do some data analysis using Microsoft Excel. For example, you want to create this chart. Now, if you're using Python, you only need to press one button because you can automate routine processes. Okay.
Okay.
Nah, so that is the beneficial of learning Python, yeah. So we'll go to the main topic, which is about the algorithm. What is algorithm? What?
Algorithm is like, I think it's like the steps.
It's like the stops. What they meant about the stops? What do you mean? Can you explain it a little bit further? What is the algorithm?
Maybe it's like the right order you have to do it in.
Okay. The right order unit. Okay, 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 okay. All the steps. Okay. Yeah. It's like about the right order. Totally correct. About programming language, what is it? We already discussed it before. What is a programming language?
It's like the specific language we should use so the computer can understand the code.
Yes, totally correct. And how about program?
It's like the whole code for the script.
Totally correct. More correct about that. So basically, when we are talking about algorithm, programming language, and program, they they are related to each other. Yeah. So program is basically like you have algorithm and you type it in programming language. Now it will be a program. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, that you already mentioned before is all of them correct. Okay. Now, so you need to understand there are three rules in the Python programming language in our course. So the rules of learning programming, the first is beginning. Beginning, it means you already know that algorithm is like executing the correct order of the programs. Now, so rule of the beginning, that means you need to execute the first step. For example, you want to cook some noodles. Yeah, you can cook the noodles if you not turn on the stove, right? Now, so you have to do the first step. Okay, that is the rule of beginning. And then the rule of order, that means you need to do it sequentially. Yeah, so you cannot jump from the first step to the third step. It is prohibited. Okay, because the program will bring you to the incorrect output. Hello, what?
Let's see.
When? Test.
Yeah.
I think it's lagging. Can you hear my voice clearly?
What?
Okay. Can you hear me? Yeah, okay. So the second one is rule of order, and then the third one is the rule of code style. Rule of order is mean the it means sequentially. Yeah. You need to the step from the first step to the second step. You can jump to from the first step to the fourth step. And code style. Nah, be careful about the uppercase and also lowercase because it's important in Python. If you do it, uh, different style. For example, it's supposed to be uppercase, uh, but you type it in the lowercase, it will bring you to the incorrect output. That's it. Have any questions? No
So
questions. Okay. Yeah.
everything has to be like right, exactly right.
Hmm. Everything need to be exactly right. Uh, even for the dots. If you see the dots, it's important to you to write it down. Yeah. Otherwise, it will bring you to the incorrect output. Have any other questions? No? Okay,
No.
so please open your Algonova and we'll do the exercise. Share your screen, yeah.
Okay.
And then open the Algonova account. Log into your account. Nah, yes, click number one. That is number one. Okay. Now, answer the questions.
Mark what button is there? Okay.
Mark what Python can be used for. What do you think? It could be more than one correct answers, yeah?
Maybe.
The correct answer, there are five correct answers. Actually, Python, yes, Python can create internet application and also automatic routine processes, which is the Microsoft Excel.
So the
Okay,
whole
continue.
thing.
The whole thing. Now you need to drag it from the left to the right.
Okay. This was the money setting it.
Yes, totally correct. Yes, yes. Okay, cool. Answer.
Let's go. First step.
Ah, uh, how many fingers if you type using your keyboard? Is it all of it or just the index fingers? If you type on keyboard.
Sometimes all,
Oh, cool.
sometimes.
Okay, so we can measure that. We can measure how fast do you type in keyboard. You can click the arrow button in the right side. No, no, no. In the screen. This one, the yellow one.
Oh.
If you already read that. We'll do several keyboard simulators. Okay. So basically, you need to type as in the screen. Hmm.
I'm not that fast.
Yeah, no, no worries. Actually, you just need to finish it. It's just the exercise for you. But you already know, yeah. Uh, each letter has its own fingers to type it. Like for example, you want to type the nah. If pink, you need to remove it. Mhm. Okay. Nah, if you're at the end, that means you need to enter. Remove it first because it's pink. Nah, enter. Okay.
Wow.
Continue. 51 symbols per minute. The same thing.
Dulu Cus Fitri di tempat yang kayak buat mandi itu
Yes, continue. Oh, the number is increasing.
kursi.
70 symbols per minute. Cool. Cool. Continue again. Still. Yes,
Um,
still the same. Okay, continue again. The number is increasing again. Next. Nah, the correct statement about algorithms. There are three correct answers. Yes, correct. Two more answers. uh, this one is incorrect. This one is correct. Yes, totally correct. Okay, cool. Again, see, that I already said.
Uh,
Yeah, if you see in here the uppercase, you need to type it as uppercase. Okay, just type it again.
this is too hard.
Go ahead.
I cannot type this fast.
No, apa? You're not supposed to type fast. Just type it until it finish. No, you don't have to type it fast.
Um, okay.
Okay, so actually you just need to type it. You don't have to type it fastly. If you finish, that means you're already done.
I don't know which
Cool.
one is that.
Now it's quotation mark, so you need to press the shift button, and also it's on the right side, the colon. Can you see the keyboard? Yes.
Oh,
You need to shift. You need to hold the shift button. Hold the shift button and then type
um,
the right side. Not a caps lock. Shift below caps lock. Delay. Hold the shift button. Can you see the shift button
I think
in the
that.
keyboard? Shift. The text is shift. Can you see it?
Yes.
Nah, shift. Okay, hold
Alright.
it. And then you need to type the right side of the colon to do the double quotation mark. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Sip. Uh-uh. The wheel is lowercase. Nope, it's pink. Remove it, one. Nah,
oh.
still uppercase. Lowercase. Okay. Again, do the same thing. Cool. Cool. Okay. Enter. Ah,
Two.
can now understand ya. Continue again. Cool. Mm-hmm. It's pink. One.
Why is it pink?
The P is uppercase.
Oh,
Okay.
oh.
Uh, do the same thing. Hold the shift key and then press the number 1.
Oh.
Okay, cool. Continue. Nah, okay, this is the usual example that you will see later on. You need to code, yeah. So the question is on your right side. You need to read the questions, and then after you already read that, you need to code the Python
Ini Jepang.
in the left side. Okay, so please read it.
Run the program.
So it's only run. How can we run the program? You can close this tab. Yes. Now you can click the play button in here. It will show you the whole text. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. From this code, this is the output. Nah, okay, understand ya? Okay, open again
Oh,
the
this is the program.
ah so this is the code, this is the
Oh.
result.
So print and then say something and then it will result here.
Yes. Yes, okay. You understand ya? Okay.
Understand it now.
Understand ya? Okay. Open the right side again. And then if you already did that, you already understand and also answer the questions, you can check the box and also the submit button you can click. See, next level. Okay. Answer it. There are 3 correct answers. Three actions, correct? Yes. Okay. Wow. Cool. Have
Yeah.
any questions so fast? No questions, yeah. We'll continue to the second part. Let me show. Let me share my screen. Okay. So you already learned about our platform when we are using Python. Yeah. You already know how to code it and also the result, the output. Yeah, in the right side. So the next one is you will learn about functions and also arguments. Have you ever heard this? Functions and arguments? No. In maths, I think the function is already mentioned. No? Okay, so in math, what is a functions?
It's like I don't know how to explain it. It's like what does the word do? Like what does it do?
What does it do?
The function.
Okay, okay. Maybe if I write it down like this.
I don't know that.
Oh, you
Um
okay? You haven't learned that, yeah? Okay, okay. So maybe can you give the example? What do you mean before?
I don't know how to explain it. Like
Okay, no worries, no worries, no worries. We'll learn. We'll continue then, yeah. So when we are talking about functions, you already correct, yeah, when you thought that the function is doing something. So in Python, all of the code is based on functions. For example, you want to uh, show the text inside of the Python programming language. So you need to use the functions. So a function is an algorithm that is composed in programming language. So basically, if you already learn about the algorithm and then you uh, type it in Python, that means it's a functions. Yeah. Now, for example, the first function you will use is print. Yeah, you can print anything inside the brackets and it will output as the same inside the brackets. Yeah. Now, if you want to print, you need to use the quotation mark. Yeah. Nah, okay. In print also, you can separate it using comma. So you can see in here, if you want to show the text twice, you can use the comma. Yeah, but don't forget to use the single quotation also.
Okay.
In the print also, you can use numbers. Yeah, you can use it inside the quotation mark or outside. Number is quite flexible, so you can use the quotation and also you can use with or without the quotation mark. Now,
Okay.
if you already know that the number doesn't have to use the quotation mark, you can do some arithmetics. For example, you want to do some multiplication. That means you can print 2 times 7. The print will be 14. Okay? So it will be the same thing like a calculator. Yeah?
Uh,
You can do some, yeah, you can do the sum, difference, and also divisions. Or
how to make it like 2 times
how to make,
7 infinitely?
what is it?
Like keep 2 times 7 infinitely. Like it keeps going on.
2 times 7 infinitely.
Like how do you make it infinite?
Oh, you need to use the loop. We haven't learned that. You will learn it later on. Yeah, we'll learn about the loop later. Yeah, you can do it infinitely. Any other questions? No question. Okay, so you can combine also the text and also the arithmetics. Yeah, don't forget to use the comma. Yeah, if you want to do apa, do this thing. Okay, you want to combine the string and also the arithmetics. Now you can also use the reminder. Do you know about
Yes.
modulus or the reminder operations? What do you think? Why 14 reminder 2 is 0? Do you know it? No.
Not really.
Okay. So when we're talking about 14, actually it's better I explain it in the questions. Later on you will have this this operation. Yeah, I will explain it to you. Now the next one is the divisions, but you don't have to use the decimal number, the float number. You can use the integer to use it. You can use the double slash, yeah. Or you want to apa? You want to use the raising to a power. That means you need to use double asterisk. Okay, it will equal to 27. It's like 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 3 times. Yeah. Now
Oh.
in Python also you have the brackets or the rules of mathematics. In bahasa Indonesia we can call it like kali bagi tambah kurang ya. So you need to do the multiplication and then the divisions and the plus and the minus later on. But in front of it, brackets is the number first, yeah, or is the first priority. As you can see in here, the operation is the same, yeah, but because there is a parenthesis, the result is different. Have any questions? No questions. Okay, so you can share your screen again, eh?
Okay.
Okay, open number 2.
This.
Okay.
Mark the piece of code that.
There are 2 correct answers.
Maybe this.
No.
Will do that. And Python. This.
Yes. The other one?
This.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Number two.
Oh, not again.
Go
This is
ahead.
gonna be so hard.
No, 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 no. It will be easy.
I don't even know which one is that. Oh, come on.
The P is uppercase. One. It's pink.
Which one is that?
No, no. You don't have. Oh, okay.
Which one is this? Oh, yeah. Come on, let's go. 3, 2, 1.
No, no. Eh? Yes. Susunya mana? Susunya.
Asterisk is number 8.
Oh,
Hold shift key.
super nice.
Uh, okay, cool. Cool.
Okay.
Okay, so read the question first. Actually, you just need to read the title. In the title, you already read that, you already understand that. So
Okay.
just do in the code sections.
What do I do?
This one is auto check. So you need to fix the error. Yeah. In the
Oh.
first line, what is an error?
In the first line, I
What's
know
wrong
what's
with the
on the
first line? Yes, the second line, we need to use the bracket. Don't forget the end of it. Now, okay, the first line, what is wrong?
What is wrong?
It's a text, so we need to use the
Oh yeah. Oh, I know. This. Hey, wait, no.
uh,
This.
yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. At the end of it.
Loh. Iya, Mbak.
Nah, okay, the same thing as the second line, ya.
Aku
Oh.
cek ya, Mbak.
So it cannot be attached.
Hmm?
Aku cek itu.
It cannot be attached.
Ya.
Yes, okay. Now this one is auto check, ya. So you can click the checklist button in here.
Yeah.
Cool. Continue. See, it's easy. Okay, read the
This,
title first.
this.
Read the title first. You need to read it.
There was so that program prints the curriculum. There's no need to explain this.
There is no need to fix the parameter in the function, so you don't have to change anything inside the brackets. Yeah. So what is wrong then if you don't have to fix it?
Do I like have to precisely move it?
What do you mean? Which one? Which one you want to move?
Do I like have to move it so it's
No.
correct like this?
Yes, you need to move it, but you don't have to change anything inside the brackets. You don't have to change the asterisk. It's already correct.
So what
Can
do
you
I
spot it?
do?
It's like a
Move.
mountain. Is it correct like this?
Oh, so we move this backwards?
Ah,
I don't. Oh.
just remove the white space in here. So it's
Oh.
remove all of the white space, all of it.
Oh.
So it's in the same indentations.
This one's easy.
Mm-mm.
Hold up. Come on. I can see the picture already.
Ah, this one too many. You need to enter, yeah, for this one.
How?
Enter. No. Don't change inside the brackets. Only enter this one before the P.
Here.
Enter. Okay. Remove the white space. Okay, all of it, yeah.
I don't think it's fixed.
Okay.
Um,
So you need to check it. Close the questions, the journal, the question tab, so you can check this one. See?
oh yeah.
Okay. Have any
Oh yeah.
questions? Read the question again.
What program that displays a greeting to the world?
So you need to.
I know how to do this. I know how to do
Okay,
this.
go ahead. Everything needs to be the same thing. The H is uppercase, comma, and also the what is one? Tanda seru ya. Tanda berkah. Exclamation mark ya.
Why is it double? Why is it double? I did not see it double. Why is it two times?
Yeah, actually it's correct. So you don't have to write it later on. Just
Oh.
so you don't have to write it at the end of it.
Oh.
Yeah, the same thing as a parenthesis. You don't have to write it at
Oh.
the end. So you can remove it again, start over, or yeah, you can continue.
Then
Uh,
comma W L D shift maybe. Yay!
see, but it's not green yet because see again the example.
Wow.
There's white space in here.
Oh.
See. Okay, try to recheck it again. Check this
Yay.
one.
It's the same thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
This one is already correct. Okay. So it needs to be precisely right. Okay, read again the questions. The title first.
Write the program that calculates developer salaries.
So you will create your own program to calculate the salary.
How?
How? Read the
Um,
description below.
about uh, a
Accountant,
team.
a pro-team
The team
accountant.
accountant is asking for help. They need to calculate how much to pay the sales staff. One employee of the sales department gets $1,000. Well, that is placed without source of I don't get it. I don't get it.
This one. The information in the second paragraph. One employee of the sales department gets
One,
$1,000. There are 12 employees in the department. So what is the total? What is the formula to calculate this one?
12,000.
How?
Isn't it 12,000?
12,000. How can you do that?
It's a, okay, hold up.
No,
Does it start with print?
no, 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 no. Don't write it. Don't write it down yet. Just tell me, how can you calculate that? What is the formula to get the 12,000s?
I think print, bracket, and then 1,000 times 12.
Yes, yeah, the formula is 1,000 times 12. So basically like that. That is the formula. So you need to print as the pictures first. So you need to print it. Do the same thing as like this, yeah. Amount of employee salaries.
Do I do bracket?
Do the brackets and then the quotation mark.
Quotation mark.
Type it. Amount of employee salaries.
Amount of employee salaries.
Okay. The colon,
And
don't
then
forget it.
times, right?
Okay.
And then
It's the same thing like this. Wait.
1,000.
Now this one. It's the same like this. No, 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 no. So you want to combine the text using the multiplications. That means you need to use
What's that?
comma, yeah. No, 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 no. The colon you don't have to delete it.
Oh, this comma.
The colon. Titik duanya jangan dihapus.
Oh, okay.
After the quotation mark. No, no, no. The comma is after the quotation mark. See?
Comma. Okay.
So you need to type the right arrow first. It's still inside the quotation. Delete it again. When?
That.
Right arrow.
Oh.
Okay. Comma.
It's after that.
Comma. Okay. What is the formula for our question? This one.
1,000.
Uh-huh.
1,000. Where's the thing? Where's the dot thing?
Asterisk. Asterisk is number 8.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
1,000 times 12.
Yes. Okay. You can check it. It's correct. Okay.
Yay.
See, it's easy.
Oh, yay. So we write the amount of employee salaries, so it shows this amount of.
But the multiplication, it shows you the results. It not yeah it's not it does not show you the 1,000 times 12. Yeah?
Yay. What is this? Choose the correct version of this
Okay, so which one? That resulting
Then
20,480.
I have to do maths.
Yes.
I'd hold it up. Not this one. It's not this one.
Yeah. Yeah, correct.
Uh, 20 times. It's this one.
Okay, correct.
Let's go. I program that calculates the new enterprise. The accountant is asking for help. 14 page plant and office space. The owner recently announced a 10% in price increase. Help. What do I do? 10% of 85,000?
Okay. So the question is, the accountant is again asking for help. So if you have the things or something that you want to sell, and then the price is increasing. Is
Yes.
it is the price getting expensive
Yes.
or yeah, it's
10%
getting
more.
expensive, yeah. That means we
10%
need
more.
uh totally correct. So you need to type it first as the picture for the first line, the
Enterprise.
colon. Now, okay, you need to type again the print for the second line.
What? Type what?
Type print again for the second line.
Oh, this.
Uh, no, enter. So there are two print,
Oh.
but the
Oh, no, no, no,
the
no.
brackets you don't have to move it.
Can I
Delete again.
undo?
No. If
Hmm,
you type, if you click that, you will reset all of it. Just delete.
okay.
Don't forget to use.
And then, where was it? Here. There you go.
Okay, and then print
Enter.
again in the second line. Now, so how can we calculate that? Print
P-I-N-T.
again.
What is this?
So how to do that?
P-I-N-T.
You can see in here, yeah. There is some tips. You can click the tips.
Tips.
No. You don't have to use the quotation mark. Delete it because
This
we
one.
will do the arithmetics. Just remove the quotation. Tanda petiknya hapus. Nah, oke. Parentesisnya you will use it. Still use it.
Oh, we'll still use this bracket.
Okay. Okay. And then go to the tips.
Not sure how to calculate the price after an
Click. You can click it.
Let's say
Nah.
it's $100. The level and to
So
find
the
the
price is 100 and then the increase is 10%.
10%.
That means in our case, you can
110.
yes, in our case it's 85,000. So you
Mm-hmm.
change the 100 with 85,000
Oh,
and the 0.1 is still the same.
500.
You need to click it first. You haven't clicked it. Change the 100 to 85,000. 85. Not 5 only.
85,000, right?
85.
85. 85,000.
85. No, 85.000. 85,000. So the zero is 3.
Oh,
Okay. Times 0.1
times 0.1.
and then plus
Zero.
85,000 again.
Shit.
Plus, not times.
Eight.
Plus
Oh,
in
okay.
uh,
Lost 85,000.
85,000.
85,000.
Okay, cool. You can check it.
Yay!
The price is 93,500,000. Okay, check ya. When click the check button. Okay, cool. Finish. Yeah, when the rest of it as a homework. Yeah, so you can do while you uh don't have any activity to do. Yeah. Have any questions about our today lessons? No? Okay, so cool. You already learned about the programming, about what is the beneficial about learning Python, and also what is the function and also arguments. The next one, you will learn about variables. Okay? So if you don't have any question, I'll see you on the next session. Bye, Wen Wen. Good afternoon.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ya.